I'm Azra Shafira Ikhwan from grade 81. My absence number is 6. Today, I'm going to explain about expressing obligation. So, what comes up to mind when you hear the word obligation? There's not many words. And yes, I'm recording this at like 11:54 p.m. According to Wikipedia, an obligation is a course of action that someone is required to take, whether legal or moral. According to Google Translate, an obligation is an act or course of action to which a person is morally or legally bound, a duty or commitment. Synonyms to obligation are duty, commitment, responsibility, moral imperative, function, task, job, chore, assignment, etc., etc. In order to express obligation, some keywords are used in the form of modal verbs. Those are must, have to, and need to. Now, of course, the usage are different between tenses, but I'm not here to teach you that because I ain't no tutor. I'm just doing this for my grade because my teacher asked us to do so. Now get this. I don't think you'll get it if I explain it that way. So now, I'll give you several examples that I think might clear the path for us. Say, you're in a room with Stalin and Churchill. Then Churchill said, "Stalin, you must respect prisoners of war and stop telling them to work to death and beat them up, because it was stated in the Geneva Convention rule that it is illegal to do so, and that you need to give prisoners of war their rights, such as correspondence, food, clean clothes, etc." And then Papa Joseph said, "Ha! You debil! My country didn't sign Geneva Convention. Ha!" Get it? So, the Geneva Convention part acts as the obligation that one must follow, while the must respect prisoners of war part is a form of modal verb.
Yo sis, mommy told you to do the dishes.
Whatever, I'm reading Tintin.
You have to do it.
Why so?
Because it's mommy's rules, and you'll die if you don't do it, idiot.
Okay, fine. Now, the "but you have to do it" part is a form of modal verb using have to because we use must in the previous one, while the because it's mommy's rule part counts as an obligation. Hey sis, I need to make a cake for Alia's birthday. How do you make a cake again?
Oh, that's simple. First, you'll need 3 wheats, 3 milk buckets, 2 sugars, and 1 egg. And then place the wheat at the bottom, the milk at the top, the egg at the center, and 2 sugars surrounding it.
Yay.
That candle's lighted up with a flint and steel.
Okay, thanks. Here, the "I need to make a cake" is the modal verb, and the answer is the obligation, since you obviously need to follow rules to make a cake, you know? Please note that the difference between the usage of have to and need to is the context. Need to tend to be more optional, as in, you have another choice. Like, if I didn't make the cake in the first place, then it wouldn't be the end of the world. While have to is compulsory. You get the idea. Of course, that's just the positive form of expressing obligation, not to mention the negative and the interrogation form. Also, you actually need to go more in depth on the explanation, but like I said, editing and especially adding subtitles is a pain in the butt. And I would rather listen to Mussolini addressing speech for 3 hours straight rather than making a longer version of this video, and I don't even speak a word Italian. Well, this is it, folks. I hope this video is somewhat useful. I'm Azra Shafira Ikhwan. Bye.